Hey everybody, it's me, Lady T, and I just wanted to come to you to talk to you about a particular woman on YouTube, and I have not met her in person, but I feel that spiritually I have a connection with her, and I believe in my head she's my friend. And the reason that I say this is because she does things that I like to do, and she speaks things that I agree with spiritually. So I'm on here today to talk about her. Her name is Joyce McTier. I'm sure many of you looking at this page, looking at this story right now, know who she is. She's been on YouTube for a few years, and she sells jewelry. Her jewelry is beautiful. It's one of a kind. She has a lot of patience when she makes her jewelry, as she shows us when she does her YouTube channel. And I have said that when I grow up, I want to be like her as far as making jewelry. But I had to also realize that everything is not for everybody. So what God called her to do is what he called her to do. What he called me to do is what he called me to do. I love her talent. I love the way she explains what she does. I love how she's just peaceful. She's calm. It's just everything about her that I know about her is just someone I don't mind being acquainted with in these YouTube streets. I would love to meet her one day, as I do have family in her area. It might happen, who knows. But today I want to talk to you about a pair of earrings of hers that I have acquired. And when I tell you, these earrings are so adorable, and I want you to see them. And here they are. Now, I have watched Joyce McTier on her channel patiently putting earrings together with buttons, with wooden beads, with little cutie stones and things. And I was like, you know what? I want to do that. So I rushed to the store to get some beads and get some of those blocks. I forgot what they're called now, but they're brain teasers, I believe. I rushed to the store because Joyce McTier put on her page about these brain teasers, and she put on there about buttons. She was making earrings with buttons, and she was making earrings with beads. And I hurried up to Amazon so I can go look for the beads and everything, because I wanted to be like Miss Joyce McTier. And the funny thing about it is I make jewelry, but I make jewelry my way and she makes jewelry her way, and she uses wire. And I'm so impressed by her wire that I just want to know how to do it because of the way she teaches us how to do it. However, again, I have to say that what God has given her, he's given her, and what he has given me, he's given me. There's no competition. There's nothing at all like that. I just admire her so much for what she does and how patient she is. And with me having lupus, it's hard for me to sometimes do jewelry and twist stuff up and, stuff like that. I might get there one day, Miss Joyce. I might. I don't know. But anyway, I wanted to come and talk about your earrings and how nicely they are made, and how, when I received them, I was so excited to get them out of the box. And I got them out of the box, and I was showing them to my friend, and she was like, well, where'd you get those from? I said, I got them from Joyce McTier. You know who I'm talking about? Then I showed her who Joyce McTier is. She was like, oh, those are so nice. But that's not her style. She likes to wear gold hoops, and that's what she likes to wear. Everything with her. I want to go with, I want to go with, I want to go. Y'all met Rhonda. Y'all know who I'm talking about. So, I wanted to do this video showing you these earrings from Joyce McTier. Now, these earrings, I don't know. I guess these are buttons. And these are wood beads right here. And when she makes her jewelry, she doesn't just throw something together that looks amateurish. She really takes her time. She analyzes what she has, and she sits and she makes whatever she makes. And what it comes out to be is something gorgeous. Now, I won't see these in the store, I'm sure, unless they pick her up and say, Joyce McTier, we want you to stock our store with your products. And I believe that could happen because her products are very unique. So I just wanted to publicly say thank you to you, Joyce McTier, for these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful earrings. And guys, if you want to know what I know, go to her shop. Go to her page. Go to her page on YouTube, Joyce McTier, and you will see all of the stunning things that she makes. And I'm impressed with these. And see, this is how we help one another. We go to our brothers and sisters and those whom, you know, are doing crafting things like this, and we support each other. This is what we should be doing, because everybody out here is trying to make it. Everybody out here is dealing with the coronas. Everybody is out here dealing with stuff, and it would be so nice if we would just go and be able to support each other. So I just wanted to say thank you to you, Joyce McTier, for these earrings. And you know what I like about these earrings is I don't have to hang them up on anything. I could set them up on my dresser. They'll sit right up on my dresser. So if I don't have any room on my thing that I use for my earrings, and I'm saying it like that because really it's a thing that like a shower caddy, but I use it to put all my jewelry on. And so, you know, I just wanted to publicly say thank you to you, Joyce McTier, for taking the time out to make these beautiful earrings. And you guys go to her shop. She has an Etsy shop, but I don't want to mess it up. So go to her page, Joyce McTier, on YouTube, and follow her if you haven't followed her, and just watch how she makes her jewelry. And she takes the time to show us how to do what she does. And I like that, because sometimes people do things and they make things, they don't want anybody else to know what they're doing. They don't want anybody else to copy them. They don't want anybody else to imitate them. But hey, this is a big world. And maybe people that she can't reach, you can reach. And maybe people that you can't reach, she can reach. And if you have any friends, invite them to her show. Invite them to her YouTube page, Joyce McTier. I'm sure she will appreciate it. And as a result of her showing what she got from me, I have obtained a few more subscribers. And Joyce McTier, I want to tell you thank you for that. We are 830 strong right now, and I need 1,000. And I also need 4,000 watch hours so I can get monetized. But if you'd like to see what's going on my page, you're on it if you're looking at this. You're on it if you're looking at this. So God bless you, Joyce McTier. May God continue to bless your hands to do what you do, and may He also continue to bless your mouth to speak what He has given you to speak. Thank you. God bless. Peace and blessings.